Hello, welcome back to Crochet Club with Lucy, where today we are learning how to do a triple crochet stitch. I've got my lovely yarn here. This is from my friend Helen at 3 Loops on the Hook. Go check her out. She's got some lovely things, some really nice craft packs, yarn packs, etc. You can find her on Instagram. As usual, I will be recommending you use a 5mm hook. I will be using my 3.5 today. So as usual, we need to start our crochet with a loop. So we are making our slip knot. So pinching the tail in my fingers here, I've got my yarn held between my 3 fingers under there. And in my right hand, I'm going to twist that loop and pull the yarn through. That's how I make my slip knot. And let's begin. Okay, so now we're ready to make our chain. So I'm pinching the tail here. I have my yarn in this sort of duck position, I've just noticed. Quack quack. I will be yarning over and pulling it through the loop, and I'm just going to do 10 today. Yarn over, pull through, that makes 2. Yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, pull through 4. Yarn over, pull through 5. Yarn over, pull through 6. Yarn over, pull through 7. Yarn over, pull through 8, yarn over, pull through 9, yarn over, pull through 10. There we go. So now we have our chain of 10, and we're going to have to raise our stitch by 4. So we need to make a chain of 4 because we're doing a triple crochet, and as I've said in my previous videos, we always chain 1 extra to the number of the stitch we're trying to create, if that makes any sense at all. How can I explain that? So if you are doing a single crochet, you would chain 2. If you're doing a double crochet, you would chain 3. We're doing a triple crochet, so we're going to chain 4. So an additional 4, here we come. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That now means that we are going to be working back 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to be chaining into that 5th stitch just here. So to start our triple crochet, where you would yarn over to do a double, you yarn over again, and that gives you a triple. So we are creating 2 extra loops on our hook, so we now have 3. We go in to that loop there, and we pull through, pulling through 1. And now we yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So each time we've pulled through 2, we are creating that stitch. Obviously we've did that 3 times, it's therefore a triple crochet. So yarn over twice, into that next loop, pull through, and then 1, 2, 3. Do you see? We're going through 2 sets of loops each time, yarning over twice. So we have 3 loops on our hook now. We go into the next stitch, we yarn over, pull through, just the 1, and then we yarn over and pull through 2 each time. So that's 1 set, 2 again, 2 sets, yarn over, pull through, 3 sets. There we go. So now you can see we are creating these long stitches. So a single crochet would come to here, a double crochet would come to here. Obviously a triple is just that bit longer. So wrap around twice, into the next chain, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. There we go. And you can see why I love this yarn so much. These colour changes are so cool. Okay, once again, yarn over twice, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, straight into the next one, yarning over twice, into the next loop, and sorry, next chain under, pull through 1, and then we go through 2, through 2, and through 2. Yarning over twice, into the next loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, into the next loop, if I can find it, there it is. Yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, into the next loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, 1, pull through again, 2, and 3. Okay, last one now, yarn over twice, into the last chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, oops, got caught there a little bit, and yarn over, pull through the final 2. And there we have a row of triple crochet. You can see that they're quite long stitches and they're quite gappy. They're actually quite useful when you're doing something like buttons. You need to add buttons to something. It's quite a handy stitch to create a buttonhole. So yeah, have fun playing around with that one. And you will find that we're going to need this stitch in a couple more videos along. I've got one more stitch to show you, and then we can create a granny square that will use most of the stitches that we have just learned. So stick around for that one. Hope to see you again soon. If you need any help or if you have any questions, don't forget to get in touch. Leave them in the comments and I will come back to you. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.